Out of all the books that I've read till now, there is one particular book that has helped me understand myself better, that has given me the ability to express myself better, to comprehend emotions better, and the book is none other than Oxford Dictionary. No. Hi everyone, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. I'm Kritika. I live in a rented apartment, and with the books that I have, I was running out of place, which was not helping me. So I finally got a bookshelf, and today I am going to revisit my books. बहुत time हो गया है मुझे अपनी किताबों से मिले हुए, because I stacked them inside my almirah और वो बहुत inaccessible हो गई थी मेरे लिए. I did not like it at all. So these are all here and I'm going to organize it. We'll start with hardcovers, okay? This was a gift which is right at the top, Big Panda and Tiny Dragon. A very giftable book. The best thing to have at tea, said Big Panda, is a good friend. I agree. Then there is महागाथा 100 Tales from the Puran. जब मैंने ये किताब ली तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं इसे पढ़ लूँगी और मैं बहुत knowledgeable हो जाऊँगी. ना मैंने पढ़ी है ना मैं अभी तक knowledgeable हो पाई हूँ. Then there is फटे पाँवों में महावर, which is written by my father, Sanjay Shukla. It has a poem written for me also, guys. Go on. Then there is Letters to a Young Poet. My God. Everybody on this planet should read this book. This has life lesson in all its kindness and nakedness of thoughts. Then there is Anna Kavan Ice. I haven't read it yet. Then there is The God of Small Things. Then there is Whole Number and Half Truths. Lots of data and insights on modern India. Then there is The Song of Achilles. There are some words that I cannot just pronounce to save my life. It's one of them. Then there is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. A confession. I got this for one of my cousins who is like a little child, but then I ended up keeping it for myself. Then there is The Picture of Dorian Gray, one of the easiest classic piece of literature to read. Then there is Knife, Salman Rushdie. Lily मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है अभी तक. Then one yet to be read is Persuasion by Jane Austen. This is one of the recent purchase, Gurmehar Kaur ki Small Acts of Freedom. Then there is The Vegetarian, quite infamous book on Instagram. A very short history of Israel-Palestine conflict. Got it from an airport. Things my son needs to know about the world. One of my favorite authors, Frederick Backman. So many books. Again, The Principal Upanishads, knowledgeable. Essays in Love by Ellen D. Barton. The Year of Magical Thinking. Then there is Jojo Moyes, Me Before You. Read it, cried for a week. Then the movie came. Watched the movie, cried for a week. One day, again, watched it, cried, read it, cried. Then there is Us Against You by Frederick Backman. Any human emotion that can exist, he has talked about it. Then there is 1984 and Animal Farm. I can make a whole separate video on why these two books should be read one after another. Then there is The Notes to Myself by Hugh Prather. One of the books that I really like gifting people. Because you know, I've read 2-3 other mystery books as well. बहुत अच्छी किताबें लिखते हैं ये. They're very gripping. The Secret Dream World of a Shopaholic. It was very funny read. I got it from Book Hall, May Society ka. Then again, a murder mystery, Mother-Daughter Murder Night. Lily King's Writers and Lovers. Lent की गई है ये किताब from my flatmate. Then In Search of Ishore Cat. Quantum physics and spirituality and philosophy का जहाँ मिलन होता है तब ये किताब का जन्म होता है. It's such a poetically framed science book. Then there is Outlive. This is an ongoing book. Then there is Maybe You Should Talk to Someone. The Spanish Love Deception. The Rosie Project. There is one 39-year-old who's trying to find a wife and he's never been on a second date. It's a very hilarious book. Dastaveez Amrita Imroz ke Prem Pat. Then there is Virginia Woolf and Rita Sackville ke Love Letters. Then there is again Kigo Higashino Newcomer, again a mystery, and Wrong Place, Wrong Time. The Third Day Murder Club, mystery but also funny. The 1+1 by Jojo Moyes. Abhigyan Shakuntalam, I read it last year. Welcome to the Hyunam Bookshop. Then there is Diary of a Somebody, John Grisham, The Firm. Then there is Silk Roads, and one more book called A Prisoner of Geography. It gives you a whole perspective कि दुनिया में क्या और क्यों चल रहा है and how geography plays a huge role in it. Then there is On Earth We Are Briefly Gorgeous. Then there is Sahil Ludhiani के कुछ चुनिंदा शायरी. Then we have Krishnamurti, द फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट फ्रीडम. कृष्णमूर्ति की मैं ऑडियोज बहुत सुनती हूँ. आई डू नॉट रीड हिम मच, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ अ वेरी फाइन बुक. देन वी हैव हाउ प्रिसिशन इंजीनियरिंग क्रिएटेड द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. सेंट अगस्टस कन्फेशंस अभी नहीं पढ़ी है. सुजान सोंटाग ऑन फोटोग्राफी. इसमें उन्होंने मतलब फोटोग्राफी को बहुत ही पॉलिटिकल वे में दर्शाया है. हाउ इट इम्पैक्ट्स द कॉमन मासेस. शी हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट. देन देयर इज द इडियट. आई एम the biggest idiot who has not read it yet. Then Sudha Murthy, Wise and Otherwise. One of my friends gifted this again. Then To Be a Painter, Virginia Woolf. Rang Bhumi by Prem Chand. Then there is Death by Sadhguru. I was reading this while boarding my flight, and then 3 to 4 people they eyed me weirdly. I had to keep it down. Then there is Wisdom from the Smiling Panda, one written by my friend who also runs the blog by the same name. I read it twice and I keep going back to it again and again. He talks about yoga and meditation and some reflections on day-to-day activities with a very fresh perspective. Then The Outsider or / The Stranger, it goes by the same name. A Room of One's Own, Virginia Woolf. Then there is Tomorrow and Tomorrow, ये भी नहीं पढ़ी है मैंने. Then there is Virginia Woolf, To the Lighthouse. Then there is The Meghdut of Kalidas. और ये किताब चल रही है. I think it's been more than a year. Clearly he has held nothing back in his writing. It is just pure honesty in observation and reflections. Then there is Matt Haig, The Life Impossible. It rained on a bright sunny day by yours truly, Kritika Shukla. It has my most deep insights and reflections and thoughts which were previously my journal entries, and I then converted them to poems. Murakami, borrowed it from my friend क्योंकि again I want to do a Murakami spree. Capture in the Eye, J.D. Salinger. ये और नहीं, प्लीज डू टेल मी व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट इट. मैलिस, ये पढ़ी है मैंने, बहुत ही अच्छी किताब थी. द ग्लास कैसल, दुनिया की सारी दुविधाएं, सारी समस्याएं आपको छोटी लगने लगेंगी अगर आप ये किताब पढ़ लेंगे तो. शॉर्ट हिस्ट्री ऑफ द ट्रैक्टर्स इन यूक्रेनियन, वेरी फनी, वेरी वेरी फनी. बीच रीड, सनसेट देखते देखते जो किताब आप पढ़ो और पढ़ के भूल जाओ, ऐसी है. वंडर, recently asked my friend to read it. She is reading it और बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपके दोस्त से अपडेट देते रहें कि अब किताब में ये हो रहा है, अब किताब में वो हो रहा है. It feels very good. It's Trevor Noah, Born a Crime. My God, I was obsessed with Trevor Noah at one point in my life. ये किताब पढ़ के तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था like he's just sitting right beside me and telling his life stories. My grandmother sends regards and apologies. Again, Bachman, a very different kind of Bachman in this book. I think we are done here. ये वाली किताबें भी रखते हैं to read और already read के साथ. And let's see how my bookshelf looks after that. So my bookshelf is all set with its books and elements, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.